It's the year 2030. Cities run on algorithms, cars drive themselves, doctors are digital, and entire industries no longer need humans. Artificial intelligence hasn't just changed our world, it's redesigned it. By 2030, AI will decide who gets hired, who gets healthcare, and even how wars are fought. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the future. And it's closer than you think. Right now, we're living through the biggest technological shift since the invention of electricity. Artificial intelligence, once just a buzzword, is now the driving force behind a new kind of civilization. From medicine to finance, from art to warfare, AI is infiltrating every system, every decision, and every moment of human life. But by the year 2030, the real transformation begins. Experts predict that AI will contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy, creating massive wealth for some, while leaving millions behind. The next 5 years will decide who thrives and who gets replaced. In this video, we'll explore how AI will reshape everything, from how we work, live, and think, to how power, money, and even identity will be defined in the new world order. 1. The end of the old economy. For over a century, our economy has been powered by humans, workers, thinkers, and builders. But by 2030, AI will become the new workforce. Automation is already replacing routine jobs, from factory assembly lines to data entry, but it's only the beginning. AI is moving up the ladder, taking over creative, analytical, and decision-making roles. Lawyers, journalists, designers, financial analysts, no one is safe. In 2025, AI is an assistant. By 2030, it's a competitor. Entire corporations will run with fewer employees and higher profit margins. Startups will scale globally with teams of 5 instead of 500. The new economy won't reward hard work. It'll reward those who control AI. And that brings us to the next transformation. 2. The rise of the AI aristocracy. AI will create more billionaires than any invention in history, but it'll also make wealth more concentrated than ever before. The people and corporations who own AI systems, their data, their infrastructure, their algorithms, will become the new aristocrats. Just as the oil barons ruled the 20th century, the data barons will rule the 21st. Tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Nvidia already control the foundation of the AI revolution. By 2030, they'll operate like digital nations, with more influence than governments themselves. Their CEOs will be the new emperors, governing through algorithms that decide how society functions. Meanwhile, everyday workers will face a choice: adapt or become irrelevant. But those who learn to use AI, not fear it, will unlock wealth and freedom like never before. 3. The disappearance of jobs again and the birth of new ones. The number one fear surrounding AI is job loss. And yes, it's real. By 2030, nearly 800 million jobs could be automated worldwide. But here's what most people miss. AI won't just destroy jobs, it will create new ones we can't yet imagine. There will be careers in AI ethics, prompt engineering, machine psychology, synthetic creativity, and digital identity management. Humans who can collaborate with machines, teaching, refining, and guiding them, will become the most valuable professionals on Earth. The future job market won't be divided by education or geography. It'll be divided by who knows how to work with AI and who doesn't. The new motto for 2030: you won't lose your job to AI, you'll lose it to someone who knows how to use AI better than you. 4. The education revolution. The classrooms of the future won't look like they do today. By 2030, personalized AI tutors will teach students based on their unique learning style, speed, and interests. Instead of memorizing facts, kids will focus on creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. The traits machines still struggle to master. Degrees will matter less. Skills, adaptability, and innovation will matter more. AI will also make global education accessible. Imagine a child in a remote village learning from the same virtual tutor as a student in Silicon Valley. Education will finally become personal, borderless, and instant. But it will also create a new divide between those with access to AI-driven learning and those without it. The intelligence gap will become the new wealth gap. 5. The transformation of medicine. AI isn't just changing how we live at Stein, it's changing how we survive. By 2030, healthcare will be dominated by algorithms that can predict diseases years before symptoms appear. AI diagnostics will outperform human doctors in accuracy. Robotic surgery will become routine. And personalized medicine, tailored to your DNA, will replace the one-size-fits-all model of today. Hospitals will turn into health data centers where your digital twin, a virtual copy of your body and mind, is constantly monitored by AI. Imagine an AI that can detect cancer in your bloodstream before any scan can. Or a wearable that prevents a heart attack by analyzing your breathing in real time. AI will extend life expectancy, possibly even slow aging itself. But here's the dark side. These breakthroughs will be expensive, at least at first. So the rich won't just be wealthier, they'll live longer. 6. The smart world. Cities, homes, and nations. By 2030, cities will no longer just be smart, they'll be alive. AI-powered infrastructure will control everything. Traffic flow, energy grids, public safety, even waste management. Your home will predict your needs, your city will optimize your commute, and your country will monitor your carbon footprint. But behind that convenience lies something else: control. Governments and corporations will have access to unprecedented amounts of personal data. Privacy will become a luxury. The same systems that make cities efficient could also make them authoritarian. AI will blur the line between safety and surveillance. And the balance of power will depend on who controls the code. 7. The AI-driven creative renaissance. Ironically, as machines take over logic, humans will turn back to creativity. By 2030, AI will collaborate with artists, filmmakers, and musicians. Not to replace them, but to enhance them. Imagine an AI co-writer that helps you build an entire novel in a week. Or an AI composer that generates music based on your emotions in real time. Creativity will explode, because the tools of creation will finally be accessible to everyone. But here's the paradox: when everyone can create, originality becomes harder to find. Art will shift from skill to vision. The question won't be who made it, but who imagined it. AI won't kill creativity, it'll redefine it. 8. The battle for truth. By 2030, information will no longer be trusted. It'll be engineered. Deepfakes, synthetic news, and AI-generated narratives will make it nearly impossible to distinguish reality from illusion. Entire political movements could be manufactured by machines. Public opinion will be guided, not by journalists, but by algorithms optimized for emotion, not truth. To survive this world, humanity will need a new kind of literacy. AI literacy. The ability to question, analyze, and verify what we see. Otherwise, the future won't be shaped by facts, but by whoever has the most powerful AI to manipulate them. 9. The race between humans and machines. The year 2030 will mark a turning point. The moment when AI becomes not just a tool, but a partner in evolution. We'll begin merging with machines through brain-computer interfaces, AI-driven implants, and digital consciousness experiments. Companies like Neuralink are already working to connect human brains directly to AI systems. By the end of this decade, we might not just use AI, we might become part of it. It's both thrilling and terrifying. Because once humans and machines start to merge, the definition of what it means to be human will change forever. By 2030, AI won't just be part of our world, it will be our world. It will shape our economies, define our jobs, heal our bodies, and even challenge our beliefs. The question isn't whether AI will reshape the world, It's how we'll adapt when it does. The greatest opportunities in history are opening right now, but so are the greatest risks. Those who understand AI will shape the next decade. Those who ignore it will live in a world they no longer control. Because the future won't belong to the smartest or the strongest. It will belong to those who know how to work with intelligence itself. The countdown to 2030 has already begun, and what happens next will define the next chapter of human history.